Hi there, I'm Sarah. I just thought I'd do a little introductory video before I meet everybody next week. Hope everyone's doing good. So I am one of the co-founders of the Sustainable Studio, and I've also got a brand called Dati. It's a sustainable slow fashion brand. We use a lot of zero waste in our products, and yeah, we're all about community as well. We're all about inclusivity, and yeah, I've been a designer for over 20 years, so I love creating. I love learning new skills. I incorporate lots of different techniques into my work. I try and think of new ways to reduce waste as well within the business. And I just thought I'd do a little video and also show you a little taster of the studio and where we're based. So that'll come after this bit. So keep watching, and I really look forward to meeting everybody next week. I'm really excited to meet you all. Take care. Have a good day.